Dear students, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about informed search strategies, which internally uses heuristics. Heuristics are nothing but rule of thumbs. According to Julia Pearl, heuristics are criteria, methods or principles for deciding which among several alternative courses of actions promises to be the most effective in order to achieve some goal. Informed search strategies uses problem-specific knowledge. They can find solutions more efficiently than uninformed strategies. The general approach considered is BFS, where a node is selected for expansion based on an evaluation function denoted as f of n. The node with the lowest evaluation function is selected first for expansion because evaluation measures uses distance to the goal. BFS can be implemented using priority queue that will maintain fringe in ascending order of F values. In BFS, we expand the best node first. It is not a search technique. It is directly a straight line from the current node to the goal node. Here we will choose a node that appears to be the best according to the evaluation function. BFS uses a different evaluation function known as heuristic function denoted as h of n, where h of n equal to estimated cost of the cheapest path from the current node n to the goal node. The term heuristics means rule of thumb. Can use heuristics to identify the most promising search path. If n is a goal node, then h of n is equal to 0. For example, in Romania, one must estimate the cost of the cheapest path from the initial node Arad to goal node Bucharest via the straight line distance from Arad to Bucharest. Let us discuss with an example. Greedy best first search algorithm. The idea is that expand the node with the smallest estimated cost to reach the goal. Here we are going to use a heuristic function f of n is equal to h of n. For example, in our Romanian example, using the straight line distance to reach to the destination. For that, we should call h of SLD stands for straight line distance. If the goal is Bucharest, we will need to know the straight line distance from starting position Arad to Bucharest. For this particular problem, we are using greedy best search using HSLD, which finds a solution without ever expanding a node that is not on the solution path. Hence, its search cost is minimal. Let us discuss with an example. Our initial node is Arad. Let's just observe every node has a cost function. Here 366 is the cost at initial node. Here we are going to expand all the nodes starting from Arad. Here we have in Sibiu, in Temosira, in Yemen. Every node has a cost. We have to search or we have to expand with the lowest cost functions. After expanding Arad, we have three choices. Here we have chosen a node with a minimal cost. Just observe carefully. In Sibiu has 4 paths. Just consider a minimal path Fagares which has 176 minimal cost. After expanding Fagares, we have 2 goal nodes. One is via Sibiu, another one is via Bucharest. Using this greedy best first algorithm, we are going to select minimal costs to reach to the destination. This shows why the algorithm is called as greedy. At each step, we are trying to find a close to the goal using minimal cost. The most widely known form of BFS is A-star search, which evaluates the nodes by combining G of n and h of n according to Hart, Nielsen and Raphael in 1968. F of n is equal to g of n plus h of n, where g of n gives the path cost from the start node to the node n, and h of n is the estimated cost of the cheapest path from the current node n to the goal node. So we have f of n is equal to estimated cost of the cheapest solution through n. Thus, we are trying to find the cheapest solution using g of n plus h of n. A star search is both complete and optimal. A star is optimal if h of n is an admissible heuristic, that is, provided that h of n never overestimates the cost to reach the goal. Admissible heuristics are by nature optimistic because they think the cost of solving the problem is less than it is actually. Heuristics are nothing but rules of thumb. According to Julia Pearl, heuristics are criteria, methods, or principles for deciding which among several alternative courses of actions promising to be the most effective in order to achieve some goal. We are going to apply the principle proposed by Julia Pearl on Romanian example. Heuristics is used to identify the most promising search path. Let us apply it. A straight line distance is admissible because the shortest path between any 2 points is a straight line. So the straight line cannot be overestimated. Observe that Bucharest first appears on the fringe at step E, but it is not selected for expansion because its F cost is 450. If you observe this, its F cost is 450, is higher than P test T. If you observe this, its F cost is only 417. Another way to say that there might be a solution through P test T whose cost is low as 417. So the algorithm will not settle for the solution it costs 450. From this example, we can extract a general proof that A star using tree search is optimal if h of n is admissible. Let us discuss A star algorithm, which uses two lists, open and closed. Open is a fringe which contains nodes on frontier node, and closed which contains all expanded nodes. Let us start with open with the starting node S. Continue the loop until open is not empty. Whenever open is empty, it returns failure. Remove from the open node n with the path P with minimal f of n, and place n comma p on closed. If n is a goal node, return success and return path from initial state to the goal node. Consider three actions for each edge connecting n comma n with cost c. If m comma q is on closure with a node p concatenated e is cheaper than q, then remove node n from closure and put m with p concatenated e on open. Else if m comma q is in open and p concatenated e is cheaper than q, then replace q with q concatenated e. Else if m is not in open, put m comma p concatenated e on open. Else return failure. Suppose a suboptimal goal node G2 appears on the fringe, that means open, and let the cost of the suboptimal solution be C star. Then G2 is suboptimal, and because h of G2 is 0, we know that f of G2 is equal to g of G2 plus h of G2 is equal to g of G2 is greater than C star. Now consider a fringe node n that is in optimal solution path. For example, P test T in a Romanian example, H of n does not overestimate the cost of completing the solution path, as we already know that f of n equal to g of n plus h of n is less than c star. Now we have a solution that f of n is less than c star is less than f of g2. So g2 will not be expanded and anti-A star must return an optimal solution. References: Artificial Intelligence by Stuart Russell and Peter Nordving, second edition, and lecture series on artificial intelligence by Professor Sudhir Sarkar of IIT Kharagpur through NPTEL.